Hello Space Fam. You are watching Cosmos Cube and today we are going to talk about the space debris. Let us have a quick introduction of the space debris. We can see these revolving objects around the Earth. These might appear as stars, but let us have a closer look. These small dots that you see are the junky space debris. With more and more human exploration to the outer space, a new problem has been emerging. Due to the pollution of Earth like air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution, these debris are increasing. And the root cause of the debris is that the humans have gone beyond all the horizons and have even polluted the space. The space debris is the cause of our negligence. So what are these space debris? Space debris is a piece of a machinery or the debris which is left behind by humans in space. It is nothing but the collection of useless man-made and natural objects zipping into the Earth's atmosphere. So, what can be the causes of space debris? There are many causes such as the broken satellites, empty rockets, meteoroids, comets, and some of the elements left behind by the asteroids during the extravehicular activities like the screwdrivers, nuts, bolts, and garbage bags. We can see that the number of space debris has been increasing since the 1950s and it is increasing day by day. So how did it accumulate in the vastness of the space? There have been various space missions conducted from various countries across the world. Over the past decade since 1950s, there have been several missions. According to the survey conducted by the European Space Agency, that is ESA, there are over 166 million debris in the space at this point. So, are there any hazardous effects of space debris? Debris are harmless until and unless it collides into something that is orbiting in the space. And also, these tiny debris can travel up to the speed of 17,500 miles per hour, which is equivalent to an SUV going up to the speed of 70 miles per hour. So, when these collide with each other or the satellites or the spacecrafts, they even shatter into smaller and tinier pieces which will increase the level of waste in the space. A team of space debris researchers have built a test satellite named as Clean Space 1, which plans to burn down the debris while re-entering. The steps for removal of space debris are prevention, capture, and remove. There are 5 ways to clean up the space debris. That is using the lasers, giant nets, sail suicide, slingshots, and electrified tether. The first method is using the lasers. From the Earth's surface, a laser beam can capture a piece of debris in the space and will slow down the target. Once the trash is moving slowly, it will fall towards the Earth and burn up in the atmosphere. This is how it works. The giant nets, a new type of spacecraft named as Electrodynamic Debris Eliminator, is a glorified fishing boat which is armed with 200 nets. This vehicle will fly around the lower Earth orbit, tracking down all the junk and netting the pieces. Once captured, Eddie will bring the debris to an open ocean or set it on a trajectory that will destroy itself. The sail suicide method. The tiny nanocell D catches the sun's rays, propelling itself to the fiery death in the Earth's atmosphere. If we equip all the satellites with the solar sails, they will be able to self-destroy and rather than turning into trash. The slingshot method. 2 researchers at Texas have proposed a unique satellite called as the SlingSat. It can capture debris, whirl around and trash them into its doom. This is how it works. With the momentum of one throw, the satellite can hurl itself towards the next target, saving on the fuel. The next method is the electrified tether method. It is the latest cosmic cleanup method with the courtesy of Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency or the JAXA. Satellite will carry a metal tether made up of aluminium and stainless steel which it can attach to a piece of debris. As the tether interacts with the Earth's magnetic field, it generates electricity and slows down the speed of the debris and will eventually incinerate in the atmosphere. On this note, let us end this video here. I hope you all might have understood more about the space debris and their explorations. See you soon in the next video with another interesting space element. Subscribe to the channel and join the Space Squad. Till then, Godspeed.